over into parts of Pickens County and in a large part of
Anderson and Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flood warning for the French Broad River at Blantyre from this evening through Tuesday, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:30 a.m. Monday, the stage was 10.7 feet. Minor flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above minor flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 16.5 feet by early Tuesday morning. Impact at 16.0 feet, minor flood stage. Farmland flooding continues on both sides of the French Broad River. Flood waters begin to impact boat access areas at Grove Bridge Road and Crab Creek Road. Impact at 15. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Hart County in northeastern Georgia, Western Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Western Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Columbus to 8 miles northeast of Anderson to 5 miles east of Hartwell, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Spartanburg, Anderson, Gaffney, Lawrence, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Greer, Malden and Taylors. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Conditions are favorable for the development of brief, weak tornadoes. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Hart, Georgia, and the following counties in South Carolina, Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, and Spartanburg. A severe thunderstorm